While there is no denying that development is necessary to keep the country on growth path, should we undermine ecological concerns that come with destruction of forests and wildlife? The proposed widening of National Highway has again brought this question into focus. Are there ways to achieve development without disturbing the environment? Let's see what our students have to say about this.
Hello everyone, we are the students of MRS Academy are going to discuss about the importance of roads versus sword.
In my opinion, roads are crucial for transportation, enabling the movement of people, goods and services. They facilitate economic activities and access to essential services like healthcare and education.
I totally agree with your point, but don't you think well-maintained road and infrastructure can improve connectivity, reduce travel times and boost economic development in both urban and rural areas?
Yes, exactly. Both forests and roads are needed to sustain life, but it is fair to say that forests are more important than roads because forestation takes decades while roads are made in months.
You are absolutely right. Forests provide valuable ecosystem services such as air, water, soil conservation and flood control. They also offer recreational opportunities and contribute cultural heritage.
We're talking about development, but ancient people used to survive without roads. They were totally dependent on trees.
Yes, exactly. Without roads, only development of a country will hamper, but without forests, we cannot survive. Even roads are killing millions of animals trying to cross them.
I do not agree with your opinion. It's a misconception that development destroying trees. In fact, it will make it possible to make a care of tree in a much better manner, as well as road act as a medium of connectivity.
How can you say this? Don't you know? Pollution in cities increase automatically, so we are not in position to ignore nature.
I agree with this point that construction of road leads to deforestation at so many places. Metal road does not allow water to enter into ground, which creates huge scarcity of water in so many places.
But how can you forget? Forests are a lot more than just trees. It has a wide variety of flora and fauna. We can't compromise forest for growth and development.
In my opinion, they are equally important. If you mean the roads at the coast of forests, I don't think so. Both have their equally important. We need to first establish the proper balance between both. We can't compromise with growth. Proper balance should be maintained. Roads will not take all the forest. Planting trees along a side is always an option.
As we know that both forests and roads are valuable resources and we need to construct roads for the society while safeguarding the environment for the future generation.